If you have some unwanted muesli in your kitchen cupboard, these deliciously chewy cookies are a great way to use it up. These muesli cookies are so easy to make and perfect for transforming that forgotten breakfast cereal into something yummy. To make these chewy and soft muesli cookies, start by adding 100 grams of unsalted butter to a pan. Next, add 100 grams of brown sugar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of golden syrup to your pan too. If you cannot find golden syrup, honey works as a substitute in this recipe. Now, put your pan on the stove and turn the heat to low. As everything starts to melt, keep stirring it with a spoon. Once the butter and sugar are melted, as you can see in the video here, then add 75 grams of muesli and 75 grams of self-rising flour and give everything a good mix until it is all mixed together. As you can see, the batter looks a bit runny, but do not worry, let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and it will firm up. If it is not firm enough to form cookies after cooling, you can always add a bit more muesli or a little bit of flour to thicken the mixture enough to form small balls that hold their shape. Use a scoop or a spoon to form small balls of cookie dough. I like to make them about 1 tablespoon in size, but you can make them bigger or smaller depending on how many cookies you want. Place them on the parchment paper-covered baking sheet, leaving about 5 centimeters or 2 inches between each cookie so they have room to spread while baking. Bake the muesli cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes until they turn golden brown on top and your kitchen starts to smell absolutely amazing. Let the cookies cool on the baking tray for about 5 minutes before moving them. Once the muesli cookies cool, they get a bit crispy outside, but stay chewy inside. They taste sweet and buttery, and the fruit and nuts from the muesli give them a nice crunch and texture. The taste of your cookies really changes with your muesli. If yours has lots of berries and raisins, your cookies will be sweeter and fruitier. If it has more oats and nuts, they'll be nuttier with extra crunch. If you like these chewy muesli cookies, try my date-filled oatmeal cookies next. This recipe is 140 years old, but it tastes amazing. They're soft with sweet date filling inside and go great with coffee or tea, just like these muesli cookies. Check it out now!